Good afternoon, everybody. It's November 2nd, 2011. I'm meteorologist Beau Dodson. We've got a lot of weather to talk about, so let's get right to it. This is radar off GR Earth, and I'm showing you snow back here in Kansas, even some snow into Nebraska and Iowa this afternoon. Rain developing out ahead of this big storm system. We've been talking about this system for over a week now. It's finally moving into the region, going to bring widespread rain on Thursday, and that's going to continue into Thursday evening, and then much cooler weather on Thursday as well. Temperatures today have been in the 70s in parts of our region. That's all going to change tomorrow. Look here, we see the 70s all the way to Illinois, Arkansas, eastern Missouri. Those are current temperatures this afternoon. But look back here in Kansas, 30s and 40s cover the state of Kansas. Sharp cold front right in here that's going to swing through the region tomorrow, drop our temperatures a good 20 to 30 degrees, maybe a little more in some counties. Rain, windy, going to be raw once that rain does fall with the colder temperatures. We've got a lot to look at here. Let's go to the NAM. And this is the 700 millibar level showing the humidity, relative humidity. And you see this dry air right here. This is Thursday evening, but this blue indicates where there's a lot more moisture. And this is what we call a dry slot in here. Now, sometime tomorrow morning, rain will overspread the region, and then this dry slot will move through. Watch it right there in the purple. As that low pressure winds up over Missouri and Illinois, it will drive this dry wedge of air into our region at some point late tomorrow morning, early afternoon. And then as the low pulls away, see how this moisture swings back into our region? And then we're going to have some more rain. You can even see the spin there on the 700 millibar relative humidity. Pretty cool to see that tight wound up low. Let me rewind it there. Watch it move in. There it goes, the dry punch, and then more moisture moves over our region tomorrow afternoon. Thinking rainfall totals are probably going to be in the 1/4 of an inch to maybe a 1/2 an inch. Locally heavier amounts probably over parts of southeast Missouri towards St. Louis, Mount Vernon, Evansville. Maybe a little heavier up there, a little less as you go south. I'm not expecting any severe weather. Let's take a look at what this looks like on the surface map. There's the deep low. See it there, the isobars wound up over Missouri. Watch that low move through our area tomorrow morning. Here we go tomorrow afternoon with the dry slot, and then more rain as the low pulls away. That rain moves in behind the low as well, a deformation band there, and that pulls away. By Friday, I'm thinking most of the rain will be over. Again, 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 an inch, locally heavier amounts. And then let's take a look here. Let's pull up the radar. This is the NAM off Right Weather forecast, what the radar should look like. This is this evening, and you see the snow back here in Kansas. Watch this rain develop. Here we go. This is about 6 p.m. tonight, 9 p.m. tonight, about 1 a.m. You see this band of showers and thunderstorms pushing into our region. Here we go into tomorrow morning, about 5, 6, 7 a.m. That first band of showers, maybe some thunderstorms moves through the area. Even some snow forecast back here in parts of Missouri as this low winds up. And then that dry slot, remember I told you about the dry slot, and then more moisture comes in tomorrow afternoon and evening, and then it all pulls away by Friday morning, maybe some sprinkles left over. A lot going on after this. Remember, I've been talking for 2 weeks now about a big storm system forecast for Sunday or Monday. Let's take a look at that on the GFS. Here we go. This is the Saturday forecast map. And watch this powerful storm develop over the central United States, pulling moisture up. Now, as it moves through here, cold front moves through on Sunday night. Not expecting much with it. But a second storm will then form over the southern plains. This will push a warm front back through our region with more moisture, and depending on the track of this low, next Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, we're going to see more precipitation, more rain, and maybe some severe weather somewhere here in the Mississippi Valley. Depends on the track of the low. The low track's further north, better chance of storms in our region. Further south, more just rain for us. We'll have to keep a close eye on that, and then it all pulls away by next Thursday. Lots going on in the weather. We're going to have to keep an eye on the rain and showers and thunderstorms tomorrow. Not expecting severe weather, then cooler, then not too bad for the weekend temp-wise, and then another big storm system next week with widespread precipitation expected. Have a good day.